Welcome to this tutorial. I'm solving question number 4 of paper 21 October-November exam series of 2021. The question says in a coal-fired power station, coal is burnt and electrical energy is produced. State the form of energy in the coal that is transferred to electrical energy. So all the fuels, they contain chemical energy and this is converted into other forms. Part B says state the principle of conservation of energy. So the principle says energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transferred from one form to another. The next part says the quantity of electrical energy produced by the power station is much less than the quantity of energy in the coal that is burned to generate the electricity. Explain why this is so. So the reason for this is that some of the chemical energy is transferred to thermal energy and this thermal energy is lost to the surroundings. So it is wasted and not converted into electrical energy. The last part says state one environmental consequence of generating electricity in coal-fired power station. So one environmental consequence could be global warming because of the production of carbon dioxide gas, carbon monoxide gases, and the greenhouse effects that takes place because of them. So the question ends here with this part.
We try to explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you like the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.